sure that's a solid white line there and you shouldn't be overtaking. Okay. Yeah, just take your time. Don't worry about it being a green light for me. Come on then, out the way. Thank you very much. Well, you don't see many of them on the road nowadays. Ooh, left up there as well. Fucking idiot. Ah, idiot. Okay, Garmin, save video. Nice Mark II Cortina. Okay, Garmin, save. Absolute plank. What a plank. Oh, nice one then. V8. Look, yeah. Smoking. No power in that thing, is there? It's only all in bleed waste. Nice old classic course there. Nice. Move it! That's the way to do it. What an absolute cock. Okay, Garmin, save video. Oh, flipping hell. Piss poor bit of driving there, wasn't it? Okay. Mark II Escort, RS 2000.
At the roundabout, take the fourth exit.
Can I stick my tongue out of the window?
Absolutely not.
Ah! You are no fuss.
dickhead. Stupid woman. Anything can be by the side of me. Pictures. Stupid face, you be parked. Aston Martin. Ooh, nice. Nice. Okay, Garmin, say. We should have took the bend a bit slower.